In today's top cryptocurrency news, December 19, 2022, in the first news, Sam Bankman-Fried arrested and consented to the extradition, law decoded, December 12 to 19. The entrepreneur reportedly reconsidered his earlier decision to contest extradition and now would be able to appear in a United States court. In the second news, Boris Johnson's brother steps down as Binance advisor amid concerns over the exchange, report. Lord Johnson of Marylebone reportedly took up a role on the UK advisory board of one of Binance's subsidiaries in September. In the third news, Binance acquires 100% of Indonesian Tokocrypto after initial investment in 2020. This is the third licensed Asian cryptocurrency exchange Binance has bought this year. As it expands its global reach, the company had shown signs of struggling. In the fourth news, Sam Bankman-Fried wants to see indictment before extradition to US, report. Authorities in the Bahamas have had the former FTX CEO in custody since December 12, shortly before he was denied bail. In the fifth news, BTC price faces 20% drop in weeks if Bitcoin avoids key level, analyst. Bitcoin does not look good when it comes to sustained BTC price upside, traders warn, as GBTC reaches a fresh record discount. In the sixth news, Grayscale CEO highlights 20% GBTC share buyback option if ETF conversion fails. The proposed offer would require both SEC relief and shareholders' approval. In the seventh news, what is the relationship between blockchain and Web3? Amidst the Web3 revolution, the importance of blockchain in Web3 lies in offering a universal state layer to build the decentralized web. In the eighth news, Axlar launches $60 million startup ecosystem program. The program aims to accelerate the development of decentralized applications and protocols to replace centralized exchanges. In the ninth news, crypto investment firm CoinShares debuts trading on Nasdaq Stockholm. CoinShares stock was previously listed on the Nasdaq First North Growth Market, an alternative stock exchange for small and medium-sized companies. In the 10th news, Binance.US set to acquire Voyager Digital Assets for $1 billion. Previously, FTX US was the largest bidder for the firm's assets, with an offer of $1.4 billion. In the 11th news, Eva Kaili arrest setback for EU crypto regulations, Economist says. European parliamentarian Eva Kaili's arrest under allegations of corruption is being labelled as a blow to crypto and blockchain adoption. In the 12th news, how will ChatGPT affect the Web3 space? Industry answers. From smart contract auditing to enhancing user interactions, executives point out how ChatGPT can potentially affect Web3. In the 13th news, what is crypto market capitulation and its significance? Cryptocurrency market capitulation revolves around investors' fears of further losses in a seemingly never-ending downward spiral, but it's also the period of maximum opportunity. In the 14th news, wave lower for all markets. 5 things to know in Bitcoin this week. BTC price hovers in a tight range, but Bitcoin analysts are predicting a grim end to the year for risk asset holders. In the 15th news, Ethereum bulls wake up after 4 years to transfer 22,982 ETH. The ETH tokens in question originated from trading platforms Genesis and Poloniex and were found transferring 13,103.99 ETH and 9,878 ETH, respectively. In the 16th news, Nifty News, building bridges in the metaverse, elaborate apes scam and more. A South Korean province is using the metaverse for closer economic ties with Vietnam, and an elaborate phishing scam netted 14 bored apes. In the 17th news, Nigeria set to pass bill recognizing Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. The slated law comes as Nigeria's e-Naira has only managed to obtain a 0.5% adoption rate, a little more than a year after its launch in October 2021. In the 18th news, for $1 billion OneCoin scam co-founder pleads guilty, faces 60 years jail. the co-founder of the fraudulent scheme, is set to be sentenced in April 2023 on charges relating to wire fraud and money laundering. In the 19th new, Israeli court rules authorities can seize crypto in 150 blacklisted wallets. Over 150 crypto wallets blacklisted for alleged links to the funding of terror groups can now be drained of all funds, following a ruling by an Israeli court. In the 20th new, U.S. Senate banking chair floats possibility of banning crypto. Despite suggesting a possible ban, U.S. Senator Sherrod Brown stated it would be very difficult to do so because activity would go offshore. In the 21st new, 350 new scam tokens were created every day this year, Solidus Labs. Nearly 118,000 scam tokens were deployed from the start of January through the end of November, according to blockchain risk monitoring firm Solidus. In the 22nd new, the Federal Reserve's pursuit of a reverse wealth effect is undermining crypto. The Federal Reserve is seeking to push investors into re-evaluating their portfolios by injecting chaos into markets. Today's news ends here. Tomorrow there will be more news. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with cryptocurrency news. See you tomorrow.